We got an iPhone X with touch not working on a few tabs, then sometime touch working. Like ghost touch, and with 3-finger touch works like normal. If you use fast touch, then the message pop up on the screen that whole duration is enabled. This process is support for all models and iOS too. If this happens, it is hard to operate a phone and also have so much effort. If you encounter these issues, then this video is for you and check your own. There is some problem with your setting and you can operate the phone with 3 fingers in such a case. You have to some setting that needs to be turned off. Go to setting, scroll down, tap on accessibility. Tap on touch. Tap on touch accommodations. Turn off touch accommodations. Turn off the whole duration. Now you can see the touch screen is working fine and also have no problems too. If you face such issues and you can go to setting, then try this. Press 3 times power key continuously, then this option may disable. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share with friends and subscribe to support us.